Did you know ICICI HFC fixed deposit offers highest degree of safety, AAA rating by CRISIL, ICRA and CARE. Additional 0.25% interest for senior citizens. Flexible tenures between 1 to 10 years. Opening an ICICI HFC fixed deposit online is now very easy. Let's go through the process step by step to understand. Visit our website icici-hfc.com. Select FD from the list of products at the top. From the drop-down, select FD Assisted Journey. Now click on ICICI Group Employee. You are now on the FD application page. Fill in the relevant details to generate referral URL. Share the unique URL generated with the customer. Now request the customer to complete the next steps on his own. Now click on Start New Application. You now need to generate and upload Aadhaar XML. To generate Aadhaar XML, click on the tab. Please note that Aadhaar card should not be uploaded. Customer has to generate Aadhaar XML file. You will now be redirected to the Aadhaar website. Keep the 12-digit Aadhaar number ready and enter it. Click on Send OTP. Now, choose a share code. Share code can be any 4-character code while generating the Aadhaar XML file. For example, it can be ABCD, 1234, AB34, etc. You will need this share code in the subsequent step. Now, enter the OTP received on your registered mobile number. Aadhaar XML will be downloaded once the OTP is entered. Do not unzip, change or rename the file. The zip file downloaded from UIDAI should be uploaded as it is. Now, fill in the required details. Enter the share code generated earlier after uploading XML file. Please note that if the latest Aadhaar details or Aadhaar linked mobile number is not available, please follow the physical SR mode to apply for FD. Enter date of birth and PAN and click on Create New Application. If there is a joint account holder, repeat the process to generate Aadhaar XML. If there are multiple account holders, this process should be repeated for each account holder. Let's move ahead now. Steps 1 and 2 on this screen will auto-capture the customer details from the uploaded Aadhaar XML file of the account holder. Hence, it is very important to enter the Aadhaar XML file correctly in the previous step. For step 3, enter PAN details and upload a soft copy of the PAN card. Please make sure that you upload a clear copy of PAN card as it will be verified at the back end. For step 4, fill in the family details. Now, we move to the FD details. Select an FD plan and amount. Now, enter repayment account details and upload a copy of cancelled check. To ensure successful verification of repayment details, make sure that you upload a clear copy of the cancelled check. Kindly ensure that the latest updated IFSC codes are being entered in order to avoid any disruptions in application flow. For banks who have undergone a merger, kindly confirm change in IFSC code before entering. You can find the correct IFSC code on the checkbook issued by your bank. Enter the nominee details. Click on Save and proceed. Now, click on the next tab. We are almost there. Verify all the details, confirm the terms and conditions, and proceed to make payment. If the customer wishes to pay online, the following payment options are available on our online portal. online payment gateway, net banking, debit card, Bhim UPI, Bhim QR code. If net banking mode is chosen to make the payment, please note that SBI Net Banking is not available as an option for net banking. Make sure to notify the same to the customer before initiating payment. If paying via debit card, please ensure that only RuPay card is being used by the customer to make the payment. System will not accept MasterCard or Visa card. If the customer wishes to make payment using offline mode, it can be made through check, demand draft, RTGS, NEFT or fund transfer. To make the payment offline, click on Proceed to Offline Payment tab and insert the UTR number in the space provided for capturing payment reference details. Now, verify the application by entering the OTP and make payment. The application will now be submitted. Download the PDF and keep it for future records. Ensure that pop-up blocker is disabled. If you get a pop-up blocked message, click on Allow pop-ups. You can now download the PDF and keep it for future records. Go ahead. Open an online fixed deposit with ICICI HFC now.